Emily, I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video. You don't see all your presents?
Merry Christmas!
Where's your sister?
Upstairs.
Tell her to get down here.
Get down here. Mommy's taking a video. Come on. Greg.
Oh, you alright?
Greg and Grandma aren't here yet. Come on.
Come on, Ireland.
Whoa. Santa's totally been here.
Hurry up, Ireland.
I think you overdo with the presents.
You think?
Or is that just Greg?
It was all Santa. Ireland, come down here.
Okay. Come down here. You do want to be in the video, right?
Look at the presents.
Santa came. See?
Aren't you even excited?
Yes.
Ireland.
Merry Christmas!
Are you angry?